What's up, Floss Boss? Today I'm going to be a flossing instructor. We're going to do it together. First things first, 50 centimeters of floss. Rip it off at the end. You want it nice and long so it doesn't cut into your fingers too much, and you want to wrap it nice and evenly. Here we go. Nice and small gap in between your thumbs to start off with. We're going to go top left hand side. In as far back as you possibly can. In. Forward. Backwards. Out. And you're just going to repeat that again. In. Forward. Backwards. Out. And keep going. In. Forward. Backwards. Out. That's the only rule you need to be thinking of. In. Forward. Backwards. Out. You're doing really well. In. Forward. Backwards. Out. Maybe your gum was bleeding a little bit. Maybe your gums are a little bit sore. They will toughen up in time. You just got to get them used to it. Keep going. In. Maybe with your pointer to get to the front ones. Forward. Back. Out. In. Forward. Back. Out. It's really important to clean the two surfaces that are touching on the adjacent teeth you're flossing in between, not just to try to get whatever's stuck in between them out. Let's keep going. Top right hand side, very back. Same thing with your thumbs. In. Back. Forward. Out. In. Forward. Back. Out. In. Out. Let's keep going. You got this. In. Forward. In. Forward. In. Forward. Don't confuse yourself too much with difficult techniques. When we're doing the bottom, similar deal. Really small gap between your hands and use your pointers or your middle fingers to move all the way back. Here we go. In. Forward. Out. In. Out. Feel free to adjust your grip whenever you need to. In. Forward. In. Keep it nice and simple. Tooth by tooth. Keep the gap nice and small. In. And that's it. You've flossed. Well done. Go and enjoy a magical day full of excellent oral hygiene with my blessings. See you.